Hello children, good morning. This is Shamanti ma'am. Today I'll be taking your English 2 class. So let's begin. Do you love pets? Yes, we all love to have pets. How many of you have a pet at home? It's good to hear that so many of you have a pet at home. Which animal do you prefer as a pet? A cat, a dog, or something other? Do you take care of your pet? Very good. You should take care of your pets along with your parents. Now, can you name the animal whose sound is meow, meow? Very good, my dear students. So today, we will learn a poem about a cat, that is My Cat, written by Nicholas Horsburgh. So, if you are asked who is the poet of the poem My Cat, the poet is Nicholas Horsburgh. A poet is the person who writes a poem. Like you read about author, author is the person who writes a story. Similarly, a poet is a person who writes a poem. Now let's read the poem. You kindly follow my pronunciation. My Cat by Nicholas Horsburgh. I have a cat. His name is Rish. His fur is white and he likes fish. He hunts and walks about my house. He is always out to catch a mouse. I play with him and keep him clean. A smarter cat you have never seen. So, here we are learning about a cat whose name is Rish. So, what is the name of the cat? His name is Rish. And his when do we use? We use his when we refer to any male person. So, we can understand that this cat is a male. He is a male cat. And what is the color of his fur? The color of his fur is white. And he likes fish. So let's move to our slides. What can you see in this picture? Yes, you can see a beautiful white, cute, furry cat, isn't it? Another cat. Now see this picture. He is Rish. He is a white cat, a furry one. And he likes to have fish. So you can see a fish is there on his plate. So can you name the rhyming words from the first stanza? Rish and fish. These two are rhyming words. He hunts and walks about my house. He is always out to catch a mouse. In this picture, you can see that Rish is running outside to catch a mouse. You know that cats, they run, they chase mouse, isn't it? So, name the pair of rhyming words in this stanza. Yes, house and mouse. Very good. Now move to the third stanza of the poem. I play with him and keep him clean. A smarter cat you have never seen. So, here in this picture you can see Rish, the cat, is playing with the owner. If if you have a pet at home, then you also play with him or her. So similarly, this boy, he is playing with his pet cat, that is Rish. And he also takes care of Rish. And Rish is a very smart cat. He is an intelligent cat. He is a smart cat. And you have never seen a smart cat like Rish. So he is a very smart, very intelligent and funny cat. And he is also very clean. So see, the rhyming words from the poem, they are Rish and fish, house, mouse, clean, seen. Once again, I am reading the poem. You please follow. My Cat by Nicholas Horsburgh. I have a cat. His name is Rish. His fur is white and he likes fish. He hunts and walks about my house. He is always out to catch a mouse. I play with him and keep him clean. A smarter cat you have never seen. So, the name of the cat is Rish and he is a male cat. His color of the fur is white and he likes to have fish. What he does inside the home? He hunts and walks about my house. And what he does outside? He always goes out to catch a mouse. I play with him, so the owner, the boy having the cat, he plays with him and he keeps him clean. He takes care of his pet cat Rish. A smarter cat you have never seen. So Rish is a very smart cat. Now students, let us see the spellings that you have to learn. Fur, F-U-R, fur. H-U-N-T-S, hunts. W-A-L-K-S, walks. A-B-O-U-T, about. H-O-U-S-E, house. H-E-apostrophe-S, that is the short form of he is, his. A-L-W-A-Y-S, always, always. C-A-T-C-H, catch. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. C-L-E-A-N, clean. S-M-A-R-T, smart, and E-R, are smarter. You have, that is the short form of you have. Y-O-U apostrophe V-E, you have. N-E-V-E-R, never. S-E-E-N, seen. So now, let us discuss the question answers. Is Rish male or female? Is Rish male or female? Rish is male. How do you know? Because his has been used in the poem. His, the word his has been used to refer to Rish. So we know that it is a male cat. Does Rish have hair or fur? What is it like? Does Rish have hair or fur? What is it like? Rish has fur which is white. Rish has fur which is white. What does Rish do in the house? What does Rish do in the house? Rish hunts and walks about in the house. Rish hunts and walks about in the house. What does Rish do outside the house? What does Rish do outside the house? Do you know? Rish always goes outside the house to catch a mouse. Rish always goes outside the house to catch a mouse. Is Rish clever? Yes, Rish is clever and a very smart cat. Is Rish clever? Yes, Rish is clever and a very smart cat. In your own words, say what Rish is like. In your own words, say what Rish is like. Rish is a furry white cat who likes fish. He hunts and walks about the house and goes out to catch a mouse. He is also a clean and smart cat. Rish is a furry white cat who likes fish. He hunts and walks about the house and goes out to catch a mouse. He is also a clean and smart cat. Don't worry, these question answers will be provided in the worksheet. Now let's move to the workbook. All of you take out your workbook, page number 14. See, a story is given about a dog. Her name is Flash. So you read the story and you circle the correct answers. The next question answers are given. You circle, choose the correct option after reading the story 3 times loudly. Okay. Now next, there is an exercise on prepositions. So let us move to the slides. Yes. Prepositions with in, on, under, near. So, what you can see in this picture? You can see it is an apple in the box. So, where is the apple? The apple is in the box. When do we use in? We use in when something is kept inside and it is not very clearly visible. It is partially visible. It is kept inside. So you can see this apple is kept inside the box. Something is kept in your bag. Cannot be seen. Now see on. Where is this apple kept? This apple is kept on the box. Where is this apple? This apple is on the box because it is clearly visible. It is on the surface of the box. So when things are clearly visible, we use on. Where is the cat? The cat is under the chair. Where is the cat? The cat is under the chair. See the ball. Where is the ball? The ball is near the boy. Where is the ball? The ball is near the boy. So, thank you and complete the exercises. that are given on page number 14 and 15 of the workbook. Question answers of my cat will be provided in the worksheet. Copy them neatly in your English 2 classwork copy and also complete the exercises that are given on page number 14 and 15 of the workbook in the book itself. Thank you. Have a nice day and also learn the poem. Okay. Learn the poem with proper pronunciation, voice modulation, accent. Thank you and have a nice day.